everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can learn this language, how I am learning this language, because this is very important thing, that what technique are you following to improve your English, because I know you also want to speak in English, and what process you have to follow, it depends on you. What are you taking, what work on you, because in YouTube I can say there are lots of video, there are lots of technique people are telling you, but I don't think so it will be work, because it will be work when you will take it seriously and you will apply on you to learn this language. So what technique I am following to learn this language, this is that I made a first video. In that video I told you that how, which technique I am using to speak in English at home. So today I will tell you that if you want to improve your English, so what you have to do in a good way, because as a mother, as a housewife, I can say that I don't have proper time to learn this language, and I know you don't have also proper time to give your English. So it doesn't mean that I should stop my journey and you should stop your journey. While speaking English, while making your responsibility on your hand, you can learn this language, because if you want to learn this language, if you have a passion to learn this language and passion to speak English with them, so I think everything is possible. So what you have to do is, I think I can say that before speaking English, I want to speak in English, but I don't know how to make sentences in English. I know first to eighth I study in a private school, but after that I learn grammar in a phone, like by a YouTube. So how it is possible? Because somehow we know that grammar is more important, because when we are talking about past, present and future, so here we have to use some subject, helping verb, and after that we are using object there. So we should learn there, right? So how you can learn these things at your home? So you can use your YouTube, from YouTube you can learn this thing. So that's how I am learning. So here I am just saying to you that just learn present, past and future, these sentences. I think if you know these sentences, you will be mastered in English, because I have to command on that, and still I am learning this language. So what you should do to learn this language? You have to start writing every day in our life. It depends on you. When you are free, then you can start writing. And now the topic is what you should write. I know first day you will have a problem that what should I do. So when you will take copy and pen, then you will think that okay, I can write this, I can take this. So after that you will, when you will take when you will take copy and pen in your head now, you will realize that you have so many things at your home. Whenever you are watching any movies, any web series, any podcast, and if you are making any recipe, you can start writing over in the on the copy. So that's how you can learn. And in that, when you are writing, you will see that where you are making mistake, because I know sometimes it's very hard to find out mistakes. So how you will know that where are you doing mistake? I know you want to speak in English, so first you have to work on your writing parts. So take 10 minutes in a day that you should start writing. So I know to the first day you will have a problem to take to take copy and pen 10 minutes, I know, but if you want to write something, so you can take 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, it depends on you. But at least you have to start writing, because I can say that if I don't know the present, past and future, so how I am able to speak in English? Because in a sentences we are using past and future and present and continuous. So you have to learn something new. And how it will be possible? When you will start watching to them, when you will observe which type of sentences they are using to speak in English. So this is the way that I am learning this language. And first thing I just want to tell you that start making any story in our home and start writing. When you will write that, you will think in English, okay, I have to use this subject, this object and this verb in that sentences. And when you will think that, your mind will work. You will see the result when you are writing and when you are speaking. There is a huge difference between. I can it's like it's what like while speaking I don't have that much idea, but when I am writing, so lots of idea coming in my mind that Neetu, you should learn, you can write this, you can write this. So that's how I am improving. So take it 1 minute, 10 minute in 10 minutes in a day, and it depends on you. So that's how I am using. So I think that's enough for you, and that's how you can learn this language. I hope you like this video, and tomorrow I will post a new video for you, and that in that video you will see how you can learn this new vocabulary at your home. Okay, have a nice day.